welcome back to Life Princess Eyes with me, Pallavi. Today we're doing a wedding related video, but we're also making it a food related video because food is the most important thing for all of us. No, so I know everybody's going crazy with their wedding preps right now. You're doing everything that you can to look your best for your big day, and that often involves a compromise on what you're eating. So today I'm bringing you my special air fried chicken recipe with an Asian twist. So it's a really quick and easy recipe, and we're gonna go in and make that now. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon, and please leave me your comments on when you've tried this recipe, how did it turn out, and if you'd like me to do more such videos. Now let me just quickly tell you why I'm doing this video, because I remember when I was prepping for my wedding, and for good 6-7 months I was eating so right, working out and all of that. And I remember even when I was going out for dinners and to the club or whatever, I remember ordering this steamed fish with vegetables, and it looked so bad and depressing. I was like, hey, bichari brides ko yahi khana padta hai to fit into that lehenga to look amazing. So yeah, that's just not going to fly with you all anymore, because I'm here to the rescue. So we're going to make something that's really healthy and nutritious, and of course it's not just about the weddings. You can make this recipe anyway, but yeah, because you're gearing up for the big day and you don't want to eat just boiled, sukha, boring khana all the time, you have to give this one a shot and let me know how it was. Okay, so let's get cooking. The first and foremost thing that you want to do is get your air fryer on. So I'm just going to set the temperature at 170. Got a clean basket now. Now that's preheating for 10 minutes, and that is the first thing that you need to do. Now when you get on to preparing the chicken, I have a bunch of sauces here which I'll explain as we go along. And the first thing we're going to do is marinate our chicken. So I'm just this is just chicken breast which has been washed, cleaned, and now we're going to just portion out the pieces. By the way, I want to share this with you. This is one of the greatest finds in recent times. I've been using Victorinox knives for the longest, and I found this at Miniso. It's a ceramic knife, and I found this plus a peeler for $150 at Miniso. And this knife is one of the best I have used, especially for cutting non-veg. So you can get this one from Miniso, or any ceramic knife or Muslim knife. So just portion out your chicken, and again it depends on you whether you want to use chicken tenders or cubes. I'm going to be using tenders, which is basically just the back part of the chicken breast. Let's go with some garlic. Just a tiny bit of ginger for me, because I personally don't like ginger at all, but it's important for the flavor. So really little for me. You can add as much as you like. Okay, so all the chopping is finally done. Now I'm going to get some corn flour into a bowl and just roll my chicken around in that. Air fryer is preheated and we're almost ready to go. Okay, so we've got the chicken coated, and in goes some of the garlic and the ginger. To this we're going to add some cold pressed sesame oil. This is an organic brand that I picked up from Bangalore, but you can just get any good sesame oil. Don't get the gingelly oil, because that does not work well for Asian cooking, so make sure you get pure sesame oil. So just a few drops of that. And we are going to add some normal dark soy sauce to this. And that's what it looks like. Now ready to go go into the air fryer. So the first thing you need to do for that is oil the basket really well. Add our chicken to the preheated basket. So there you go. We've already oiled the marinades. We don't need to brush more oil on top. So I put in the chicken for about 15 minutes and we're at 12 minutes done, and I just wanted to show you what it's looking like right now. Look at that color. Now the important thing with the air fryer is that you have to flip everything midway during cooking. So I think we should do that now. Okay, so I flipped the chicken, brushed some more oil on it, and it's back in the air fryer for another 5 minutes. You have to just judge the time according to the cut and the size of the chicken. And we're going to now get on to quickly making our sauce. It's a very easy one. So we're just going to heat a saucepan and add again some more sesame oil. I don't think I'm adding too much, it's just got a really tiny pour. So this is just about 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Let that heat up. Into this I'm adding the finely chopped ginger and garlic. And like I mentioned, I've got very little ginger because I don't like it. So the sesame oil has a very unique nutty sort of flavor, and it's used a lot in Asian and Chinese cooking rather. So the garlic is fairly just started browning, and we're going to add the rest of our ingredients now. Get the heat on low. I'm adding some instant garlic because I like lots of garlic. A little more of the dark soya sauce, some light soya sauce, I'm adding some rice wine vinegar. This is used again a lot in Chinese cooking. Next we're adding some sriracha, which is like a Chinese chili sauce. It's not very sharp. Usually we add brown sugar, but because we're doing this really healthy version, I'm going to add some gur. So adding in the gur. And just let that dissolve. So you have to keep tasting the sauce, checking for balance, and yeah, whenever it tastes good to you, you know it's ready. Okay, so the sesame is roasted. I'm just going to add in 1 dry red chilli as well, just for color and flavor. And now all that's left is the last final finishing touches. Our sauce is ready, our chicken is done, and all we have to do is combine. Okay. So, moment of truth, let's get our chicken out. That looks sensational. Just look at that. Hot, obviously. But I think that looks really good. And now I'm just going to toss this in with the sauce really quickly. You don't want to leave it on too long. You don't want it to become soggy. So I'm just going to... Please ignore the mess that I've made. And we're just going to transfer this into a nice bowl. Wow. And just drizzle our roasted sesame and chili on top. typically add some spring onion greens as well, but I don't have them, but that just looks lovely. And there you have it, it's ready! My super quick, super tasty and healthy air fried chicken with a jaggery sauce.